Hi, this is Andy. Finally, after about 15 minutes drive, I've reached the Amazon Fulfillment Center. This place, inside I can't use the camera or the handphone, so I think the recording can maybe do until here, that's all. When I'm back into Singapore, Thailand, Hong Kong, Malaysia, or Singapore, then I'll share with you guys more about what I shared during the gathering. So do come for the gathering and I'll see you guys soon. Okay, cheers man, bye. Alright guys, in a short moment I may not be using my handphone anymore. I'm now sitting outside waiting for the tour guide to bring us in for the tour. I believe that I need to put out the phone now at the security counter soon. So just let you guys see a quick glance on what is happening on the outside of the FC. Okay, come take a look. Hi guys, just came out from the Amazon Fulfillment Center. This warehouse that we have just visited is called Sacramento. It's called SMF1. So this location is quite big. As a matter of fact, I think they have actually applied about 2,000 staffs in just this warehouse. When we went inside the place, I think the place is quite huge and it's very systematic. They have like lines on the floor which have the green line. The green line is an area where only the people want on tour they can walk. And then they have the blue lines, white, and also yellow. And then after that, once you go to the tour, you start on the area where you see them doing the storing, where they will pick the items, they scan, and then as a matter of fact, I think most of my students know the Amazon robotic, the Kiva system. They will actually store it inside the yellow containers where they'll put all the items. And what's interesting when they scan the item, they actually have lights to shine on different sections of the box where they will tell you, this thing is not supposed to put in this box or that box or something like that. And what they're going to do is they're going to randomize all the items. They're not going to put all the detergents in one box or all the books in one box. They're going to put things in different boxes so that it's randomized, and the more random it is, the better for them to do. So after the storing part is where it's going to the pick part, the pick, P-I-C-K. So the pick part, right, what happens is when somebody buys something from Amazon, the pickers will actually go and to take the items from the AR again, which is the Amazon Robotics. And then they will scan. And what's interesting again is like the moment the AR boxes is in front of the picker, there's actually a light to shine on which box, which column that the items is at. So they just scan, and if the item is correct, they have a pip sound. If it's wrong, they have another type of pip sound. So it's very fast. And then the moment they have a lot of containers for them to put items, so there are different ones, and they'll have lights to tell them like how many quantity. Let's say they're supposed to have 5 pieces, then he's supposed to take 5 pieces. And the moment they finish, they just press the round button, and then yes, and then the next item will come. After the pick part is going to the last part, which is I think it's the second last part. The second last part, which is where they are supposed to pack the items. So store, pick, pack. So the pack items, right? What happens is when the item is there, it will actually show you which item to put in what type, what size of the box. Okay, the computer will actually tell the packer, and the moment the stickers is coming out to stick the boxes, the length of the stickers is just nice for that size of the box, which is so fantastic. And then they will stick the barcode, and then they will go through a system called SLAM, S-L-A-M. So SLAM stands for scan, label, apply, manifest. Okay, so they'll go through a barcode scanning system. They'll scan, and then they'll stick the final address, label, and everything. And then it's going down to the last part, which is I think is the delivery part, which in the tour they didn't really actually show us how it's put inside the containers, the trucks, and then heading to the customers. So that was the last part they didn't do. So the whole tour lasted about 45 minutes to an hour, and everyone have a headset to listen, because once the tour guide, there's 3 tour guides. Once they talk to us, we can actually listen, because if not, the whole place is actually quite noisy. And also what I realized is that the people inside, they have like different color of the safety vests. There are yellow ones, blue, and also grey. So what I heard from them, the grey ones are all the managers. And of course, after the tour, you know, they actually gave us this present here, which is the Amazon water bottle. And then if you look at the back, it actually says Amazon FC Tour. Alright, okay, so nice. And I think that's it for us, and I'll think about more things if I have anything to share, and if not, I'll see you guys again soon. Cheers, man.